Have you ever put real time, energy, and effort into a goal only to get nothing out of it? You're working just as hard as the next producer, maybe even harder, and it feels like you're getting nowhere while everybody else is seeing win after win, success after success. It makes you wonder, what are they doing that I'm not? Honestly, I don't want you to have to go through this. You can do this, you're enough, and you have everything you need in this moment to get to where you want to be. It's true, everybody is not going to make it, but you will. Yo, I go by Collier, and just for some context, I used to be a producer that tried to upload beat after beat and try to get them everywhere I could on the internet. I bought all the best VSTs, drum kits, sample packs, online courses, and posted consistently for years. I got nothing. After I did what I'm about to tell you, believe it or not, I actually started seeing more results with less work. I've even had a few early successes in the first 6 months of being a content creator using these same exact strategies. Now, most YouTubers would gatekeep these secrets, but everything I'm about to share with you comes from personal experience and patterns that I've seen in other people's lives. It doesn't matter if you're a producer, if you're an artist, or somewhere in between, this video will give you the keys to lock in and get the results that you want. Now, a lot of people think success is random or you have to get lucky, and that's partly true, but success is really more like a secret combination. There are specific habits that make up the combination that unlock success. And if you miss just one step, you'll stay on the outside. A lot of producers are actually not that far off from the right combination, and with a few small tweaks could start to get results fast. And once you have the secret combination, you could apply it to other areas of your life and see success in those areas as well. This is why you see some people that are successful at a bunch of different things. It's because they have this secret combination to success and have applied it to different areas of their life. Okay, so here are the steps. Make it plain, make it normal, make a change. Here, let me explain. Let's start with make it plain. So if you were trying to climb a massive mountain, what would be the best way to do it? You wouldn't just start climbing and hope to do it all in one day. The best way would be to set up multiple checkpoints all the way up the mountain. Then you would focus all of your energy on getting to the next checkpoint until you get to the top. Confucius said, "The man who moves a mountain begins by carrying away small stones." Okay, so here's an example. Let's say I wanted to grow a YouTube channel to 30,000 subscribers. Since I have no control over who subscribes to my channel, trying to get 30,000 subscribers wouldn't be a good goal. But I have noticed a few channels with 30,000 subscribers in my niche have uploaded anywhere from 80 to 200 videos. So a good goal would be to try to upload 100 videos because I do have control over how many videos I upload. Now, this would be our vision or our ultimate goal. Think of it as our mountaintop. Okay, so let's set a checkpoint to upload 10 videos. We can continue to do this until we get to 100 videos. Now, if I commit to uploading 3 videos every month, I'll reach my first checkpoint in a little over 3 months. Now, that may sound small, but you're now 10 videos closer to your vision. Setting timeframes for your checkpoints can help you stay consistent. Think of your vision as your roadmap. This way, it will be easier to spot the distractions. The more specific you get with your goals, the better. Make it plain means deciding on a clear vision within your control and then setting checkpoints to get there. Okay, so we have our vision, we made it plain. Now, do you find yourself struggling with consistency? We'll talk about that in the next tip. Let's talk about make it normal. So there was a bird that found a seed in a field. The bird thought, if I plant this seed, it will grow into a plant with a bunch of berries for me to eat. The bird spent days thinking about the plant, all the fruit it would eat, and even things that could go wrong. While the bird was lost in thought, a mouse came and took the seed, and the bird was left with nothing. Vision without action is merely a dream. Action without vision just passes the time. Vision with action can change the world. A quote by Joel A. Barker. Okay, I'm about to give you the top 3 reasons of why you're struggling to take action and stay consistent. Okay, the first reason is because you don't have any checkpoints. You're looking to climb the whole mountain rather than just getting to the next checkpoint. This causes anxiety and overwhelms you until eventually you just quit. Don't get too caught up in trying to solve tomorrow's problems. Focus on what's going on right now and getting to your next checkpoint, one step at a time. Okay, the second reason is lack of immediate results. Some producers take a few steps up the mountain and get upset because they aren't there yet. We live in a time where everything is faster than it's ever been. But here's the cold hard truth. Any vision or goal worth having is gonna take time. We have to be patient and keep grinding even when we think nothing is happening. Okay, the third reason that you're having trouble staying consistent is because you're distracted. Okay, I gotta be honest, this one is probably the most common and definitely the biggest one in my life. Everyone has a million things going on all at one time. But what would happen if you just focused on the most important things in your life? Look, you may have a family, a full-time job, or even classes to take. Make sure all the important things are taken care of, and in your spare time, focus on your vision. The great Kobe Bryant once said, "The biggest mistake we make in our life is thinking we have time." Find the few activities that help you grow the fastest and lock in on those. Focus on just one social media platform and master it. Then find ways to free up even more time so you can reach your checkpoints even faster. Make it normal means taking action and turning your vision into your lifestyle. Cut out all the distractions when it's time to work. Don't just chase goals. Become the person that attracts the things that you desire. Dream big, focus small. Okay, so we made the vision plain, we made it normal. This last step is really going to help you get to the results that you want faster. Let's make a change. Tom and Jerry were two inventors working on drones for a competition. Every day they would practice flying their drones off the same cliff. On the day of the competition, Tom noticed very strong winds near the cliff they practiced on and decided to take a chance flying off an unfamiliar cliff. Jerry saw the winds, but didn't want to risk flying where he's never practiced. When they launched their machines, Jerry's crashed almost instantly, while Tom's flew and landed safely. Stay committed to your decisions, but stay flexible in your approach. A quote by Tony Robbins. Now, when I first started out trying to sell beats, I would post my beats to YouTube, BeatStars, Instagram, Facebook, Reddit, and Twitter. I would send out emails to my list, stay active in artist and producer Facebook groups. I would send out beat packs to artists on Instagram, all while trying to create and release 3 beats a week. Now, when I started, I thought this was a good plan. I was building my brand and uploading my music to as many places as possible, which is what everybody tells you to do. I found out that this strategy was taking up too much of my time and I wasn't getting the results that I wanted. I eventually changed my strategy to only uploading to BeatStars and YouTube, emailing artists on my mailing list, and reaching out to new artists on Instagram, and that was it. After I had cut back all the things that weren't helping me grow, I was able to focus on the things that were. I was able to create more beats and build more relationships with artists. This is how I was able to do less and grow more. Make a change means being open to change when you're not getting the results that you want. Learn from other people's successes and failures. Study people that are just a little bit further ahead than you that are already doing what you want to do. Use them as your mentor. Find out what's working for them, why it's working for them, and then try it yourself. Now, give the strategies some time to work, but if they're not producing the results that you want, think about making a change. Hey, I really want to see you live out your vision. Make it plain, make it normal, make a change.